Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is when you what you get when you go to Super Affiliate U, 97 plus actionable tactics, obviously for super affiliates. And you can see here the exit pop-up going, hey, you get 2 bonuses tossed in free. I'm really not wanting to show you that as much as I want to show you there. $15, like to start at the finish, give you an idea what it costs. And then there's Ben Fletcher, how to make more money. This is all about being a top 5% affiliate and everything you need to know. So 97 different tactics that show you how to make money online. You can't ask for anything more than that. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a pretty good description there. Some pretty pictures. Kind of like everything you're getting access to, and I'll let you read through all that. And then they have the upgrade offers. And you click the product box and boom, you're here, and you can grab a copy for $15. Fresh out to yesterday, I believe. So one of the top 5 sellers right now on Warrior Plus. It's called Super Affiliate U. Go check this out. The link's in the video description. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.